What are the basic data types in Java?
Java basic data type, primitive data type, and actually value type and reference type.
Primitive data type are basic data types.
Okay. Okay, yeah, primitive data type.
So tell me, what are the primitive data types?
Primitive data types are Boolean, int, char, long, short, float. There are 8 primitive data types, and double, and one another one. I think
Byte.
one. Yes, sorry.
Byte.
Yeah, byte. Yeah.
How many bytes does each data type take to store values?
Float take, char take 2 bytes, and int take 4 bytes, and long takes, double takes 8 bytes, I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
And long takes
8.
8 bytes. Yeah.
8 or and byte take?
Sorry, can you repeat it?
Byte.
Can you repeat the question, please, Shilpi?
How many bytes byte data type takes?
How many bytes?
1.
1. Yeah.
What is implicit and explicit casting?
Implicit casting is in the when there is a just a little, let me think a little bit. So implicit casting is the casting when all the small number, a lower size data, like if float is assigned to a data type of higher size like int, then it's possible. But this
Float to int. Int is not a higher data type. Int actually stores whole numbers. Float is a decimal number.
Okay, int and double then.
Yeah.
A data type of lower size is can assign in a higher data type, higher size. But higher size data type cannot assign in a higher. If I want to put higher data type, then in a lower size data type, then we have to put a casting on that that data type. I can give one example, like if it's explicit data type. Example,
give me something. Write it down.
Yeah. Int y equal to then int x. This is, I think, explicit data type, right?
Here both are int. What are you doing?
No, sorry. I just missed something. Double x equal to 10.5, and if I want to put it in int, then int y equal to casting int x. This is explicit data type.
Show me implicit.
Okay. X equal to 10 and okay, sorry, in yeah, this is implicit, right?
Okay. What is the use of wrapper classes and what are wrapper classes?
Wrapper classes is the wrapper classes are like integer I and uppercase I N T G R. Those are integer. These are wrapper classes. So wrapper classes. Actually, I'm not. Integer, boolean, uppercase B O O L E N. Those are wrapper classes, right? Yeah. So wrapper classes and it's what I will say. I think I didn't read that much wrapper class. So it is also kind of casting, but little different, right? Wrapper
No,
class.
this is not a casting. Wrapper classes means for every primitive data type, there is a corresponding wrapper class. The use of wrapper classes are they provide nice methods. For example, like if it is a character, there are methods like is digit or is letter. So these are the for every wrapper class there are some corresponding methods which we can use directly in our program. Secondly, there are certain collections and certain classes where we can only use classes like where we can use only objects. So and we cannot use primitive data types like we cannot create a set of primitive data types we can, but only we can create set of objects. So in that case also wrapper classes are very handy.
Okay. Okay.
Write a method which takes an integer as an argument and checks whether it is prime or not.
Okay. Public int. Is it integer? Just integer. So do I need to create, so is it an integer array or just int? Just a number?
Just a number.
So int, check int, int x. So the argument is if x not equal to 2, then
In Java, we don't have then.
okay, yeah. So if x equal to 2, then so what I have to do if x equal to 2, um, mm, then x equal to int, right? X equal to, is it okay, Shilpi? X equal to integer number.
What is this, Kaberi?
Sorry?
This is not the right way to write the program. What is x is equal to integer?
Yeah, it's not right. If x is not equal to 2, then mm,
2 is prime or not?
2 is a prime number. 2 is an yeah. Public.
Tell me the logic first, what you are thinking of.
Yeah, so if the number, so you said it's a right method which takes an integer as a prime argument and check whether it is prime or not. So here, if the prime numbers are the numbers which is divisible by, not divisible by 2, right? No, prime number. Prime number are the so is that the logic?
Is 9 a prime number?
Um, uh, 9, yes, 9 a prime number. Not a prime number.
But it is not divisible by 2 also. So what is the definition of prime number?
Prime number is the number which only divisible by itself or divisible by 1, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So you have to first divide it by other numbers.
Other numbers, yeah. So not divisible by 2 or 3, right? 3, whatever. So only x divided by x, right?
Okay, let me give you some other program. Do this as your homework.
Okay, I will.
Write a method which prints all the even numbers between 200 and 300.
But, okay.
There is no array and the return type is not an integer here.
Okay. So return type is not integer here.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
You are not returning anything. When we are not returning anything, then what is the return type?
Void.
Mm-hmm.
Even number. Then
Why are you writing it? We don't write two return types.
oh, sorry. Yeah. Public void even number. And so for this one, we have to create a for loop, right?
Mm-hmm.
I equal to 200. For I equal to 200. I plus plus, right?
What is the second construct in for loop?
The length of the swipe less than
What is
less
the
than
condition?
condition is the number length minus 1. So here it will be 100 minus 1, right?
Condition is I has to be less than when see you have to print all the numbers between 200 and 300, right?
Yeah. So 200. So it will be 99, right?
No, I should be less than 300.
Okay, less than 300. Yeah, less than 300. And also I have to put this one differently. I less than 300. Then 300 and I plus plus. Yes. So now I have to do if statement. If uh, if I and divided by 2 I sorry I divided by if I divisible by 2 equal to 0 but I have to put this in a bracket, right? I divisible by 2 equal to 0. I and then print print I even, right? I is even, or sys out, I can do sys out. Is it okay, Shilpi?
When you are comparing, it should be double equal to 0.
Okay.
And I want to print the number.
Okay, so print ln I actually, right? So I only. Yeah, and this is double equal to, yeah. So bracket close and another bracket. Yes.
Okay. Write a method um, that takes an integer array as an argument
Mm-hmm.
and print the numbers at odd places. What it means is, let's say there is an array 1, this is some array is there, right? So I want you to print 1 minus 64 and let's say 90. So these are odd places, right?
Okay,
First,
so
third, fifth, seventh, and so
okay.
on and so forth.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So write me a method.
Okay, write an integer array. So public int.
Why do you always return type as in put in?
Okay, void. Okay, void. Yeah, public void. But I will give the name out place number int array x. One. int I equal to 0, int I equal to 0, then I then okay, I have to do one thing extra. So and I plus plus I plus plus. So we have to skip one number, right? I plus 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 so if so what will be the condition if I so so if I divided by equal to 1, then system dot out dot print ln print ln I so, am I doing okay, Shilpi?
Yeah, perfectly fine.
Yeah. So I have to print the number, right? The println xi, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you there, Kaberi?
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Okay. Uh, are arrays objects?
Yes, arrays are arrays are objects.
How can you say that? How can you prove that arrays are objects?
So arrays are kind of actually arrays are placeholder like an object, and it store only homogeneous data type. And
Can you write a uh, method
mhm,
that shows an array is an object?
write a method that shows array is an object. An object. So int array x equal to. So if I give an example of a constructor, is it okay? Like new um, mm, int array. I put some values here like 1, comma 2, then 3, comma 4, etc. Is it okay?
So you have declared the array, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now,
So
in
yeah.
Java, what is the superclass of all the objects?
Superclass of all the object is class.
Object.
Superclass of all the object is
Object class.
object class. Yeah.
So we can always write here, like you can say if x instance of object, then sys out x is an object, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, write a method that prints that takes a
That
sentence as an input and prints the words whose length is less than 5.
Yeah. So in this case, we have to first declare and string, and then we have to split it, right?
Yes.
Split it in word.
Mm-hmm.
Public. First, we have to declare the string here, or I can write a main method kind of.
No, declare the method.
Okay. Public. So this will be what will be the input here? Void, right? Public void, and what will be the name? Word length, maybe. Word length. So here string. String string X. Then we have to S1 string S1 string S1. I just I have to declare the sentence here, or just I don't need to.
Why you're passing it as an argument? Why do you want to declare it?
Okay. So I have to split it, right? So string array words equal to so if the I can give it to x dot split and I put it in according to the space in between them. So I have to split it. Then for I equal to 0, I less than x dot then oh sorry, words dot length, words dot length.
Why words dot length?
Yeah, because these
fine.
words are in words length I plus plus, and then if condition if so condition is word dot length, word dot length.
How would you access all the words?
Okay, so number, yeah, array. If sorry, word I dot length less than length, this is a string, so I have to give parenthesis, right? Do I? Yeah. Is equal is less than, sorry, less than 5. So less than 5. Then sys out Then oops. Then system.printout word I, right? Why it is doing like that? Why it is doing like that? Okay. System dot out dot println word
Yeah, perfect. Okay, can you tell me mm, what is string interning?
String interning is when one value is assigned for a string, it cannot be changed. Actually, no. If like S1 equal to string S1 equal to ABC and string S2 equal to ABC, then only one ABC object create in the heap. That is called string interning.
Okay. So when I create a string using string builder or string buffer, do those strings are also interned?
Yes. No, those strings are not internal.
Okay.
Those, yeah, because string is immutable, but string is immutable, but string builder and string buffer are not immutable. So that means, yeah, we can create.
What is the difference between string builder and string buffer? What do you
Yeah.
use?
So string builder and string buffer, yes, string builder and string buffer both are immutable, but string buffer is synchronized and string builder is not synchronized.
Okay.